guys, let's make strawberry banana milkshake. Let's go for it, guys, let's go. Peel and add 1 banana to a blender. Here we go. Along with 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Let's go. 1 cup of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Add that in. And 1 cup of your favorite milk. Yeah. Cover and blend it smooth. Let's go. Let's make a quick whipped cream. 1 cup heavy whipping cream, a quarter of a cup powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whip till stiff. Let's go. Time to assemble. Add your milkshake to a serving jar. Homemade whipped cream, 1 banana, and strawberries. Ready, now let's try it. Bossing.